everybody, how are we? Look at you, he looks like a judging panel, I love that straight away. Golden girls are in straight away, I knew there'd be trouble straight away. I have been warned about you. Looks like you're the focus of the night straight away, nobody's going to get another fucking looking at her tonight. There might be a bit of language this evening, I'll start off as we meet to go. Is that alright for everybody? Yeah. Is anybody sensitive? Is there a small child at the back?
Yes.
What's she doing in here? She's going to learn some choice words this evening. She better go play in other room or something. It's supposed to be an adult night. That's a good start, isn't it? I'll try and curb it while I'm on for fuck's sake. Wow, she's going to learn some stuff. Do you know, have you lost it in a souffle or something? Where's it gone? It's not a panto, love. It's not behind you. It's not that kind of night, although we have got a kid in, so we'll try and do some panto material for her, I guess. She gone now?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I mean, I did drop an F-bomb straight away, so that should have sent her packing. Whoops. Never mind. Lady in the middle, what's your name? I picked you because you look the most sensible out of this rabble, am I right? Elaine. It's not my first rodeo, I've done this before, I can pick them. Avoid, Elaine, straight in the middle, there we go. What do you do, Elaine, for a living?
Environmental research.
That sounded so exciting when you said that. You lowered the tone of the entire room by saying that. You made sure everybody were lowered and went, environmental research assistant. Merry Christmas. What does that mean? You walk around the environment going, yep, it's there. I'd love to know, that's why I asked you, Elaine. Ignore this cackling rabble. What do you actually do? What's your job entail? What do you do?
I dissect dead birds of prey.
Do you? I mean, I'd lead with that instead of telling the job title. I'll just go, well, what I do, I dissect dead birds of prey. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty rad, y'all. What's the best bird of prey you've dissected? What have you found? And gone, fucking hell, there's one of them here! A bald eagle? I don't believe it! What have you had? What stuff have you had through your books? What things have you... Is that a weird question? I thought it was... You're looking at me like it's a sexual question. I'm not saying, well... You don't fuck dead birds, do you? That's like... We've had that little kid left, I swear. What do you've found some good birds, have you, in your time? What's the biggest, what's the one where you've gone, bloody hell, we found one of them? A sea eagle? In Denmark? So you're international, travel all over there. She's not doing a bad job, is she? She gets paid to fly around dissecting birds, something like that. That's good. What do you do for hobbies? Same thing. Move on. What do you do, Fiona?
I make chocolates.
There we go. Oh, it's good. Yeah. And the crowd went wild. Now we can all get in on this one. Okay. You made chocolates. You're a chocolatier.
I am, yeah.
Bloody hell. Are you glad I used the right terminology?
Oh yes, a chocolatier.
Good, chocolatier. What do you make? Do you make your own brands or do you work with?
I work for Kennedy's Fine Chocolates.
Is that a local company? You're all aware of these fine chocolates, are you? Are they nice?
Yeah.
Oh, they're beautiful, the best in the world.
Few free samples for everybody? Few free samples? No, she fucking ignored that, didn't she? No, I'm not carrying any samples tonight, no. Have you got a little sample bag with you to dish out?
I'm just a worker.
You're just a worker? Oh, that's well dodged. That's good. Did you get a bit of...
No, we have to pay for them.
No way! So, surely you get a staff dissy.
You can get a bit of discount, but yeah.
How much discount do you get? Talking to Come on.
No.
It's Christmas, share with us. Come on, it's time for sharing and giving.
I can't share that one, but we do get a little discount.
10%. Aye, 50. Is it hard or low? I know impression, I know a few voices today. I know. Fifi. Oh, how exotic. Well, Fifi. Oh, I should have brought me mistletoe, Fifi. Just a quick mention as well, I forgot to tell you earlier, no talking when any of the acts are on. Just that's going out to nobody in particular. Birthday girl at the back, I won't shut the fuck up. Are you above Fifi in your stations, or are you saying lower down? Is she your boss? All equal. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? And what kind of discount do they get if you're all equal? I get 20, they get 10, fuck 'em.